Whether the government has initiated any process to set up state-of-the-art laboratories for science and mathematics under NEP. If so, furnish copies of all relevant files and notings. Answer ela, we have already initiated the process to set up state-of-the-art laboratories for science. Annexure 3, Speaker sir. Annexure 3 ha somto notingsache वयता. आणि notingsache तुम चोयल जाल्यार Speaker sir, इंगा on the 29th of 11, November 29th 2023, and 1st of December, Secretary Education, he has written that SCRT wide their letter placed to page so and so has requested for setting up of laboratories. Request म्हणून हा म्हणून सगळ्यांकू खबर हा. तेणे परत तेंच बरयला. Secretary बरयता परत तेंच. आता नोव्हेंबरासून ते आता जुलया म्हयन्यांत Ejer also annexure 3 ant borelo ha 90 lakh rupees budget dollo ha for setting up of laboratories. Financial approval will be obtained separately as and when required. November zalo, December zalo, July 7 muin zale, 9 muin zale. आणि ऑलरेडी आम्ही 9 ताक आता NEP इम्प्लिमेंट केला. क्वेश्चन घालता
तुका वेंजी बाब तुका उत्तर दिल्ले आसा भाषण करनासतना तू प्रश्न स्पेसिफिक प्रश्न विचार न्ही.
बॅकग्राऊंड गायला तुका बॅकग्राऊंड गायला. आता एज ऑफ टुडे 9th स्टँडर्ड NEP चालू जाता. 90 lakh rupees budget to be sanctioned when and as required. आजपासून 90 lakhs rupees for these laboratories जे आहा, that is for TDC, Talent Development Center in Goa for Teachers Training. हितून basically 4 type of laboratories आहा. ये 4 type of laboratories are from the time of this noting till today. Has the government approved financial budget? Has that budget been executed? Has there been laboratories set up? And if yes, who were the expert members who came here during this, as per the annexure 1, expert members who were the expert members?
प्रश्न विचार.
Budget allocate केला 8 म्हयने जाले आता from the notings. Allocate केलं जाल्यार हुंय हा setting up of the laboratory. जाग हुंयचो लॅबोरेटरी हुंय सेटअप केल्या आणि हे लॅबोरेटरी सेटअप करपाक 4 जण एक्सपर्ट जे येवपा आशिल्ले ते कोण ते एक्सपर्ट. जागो एलोकेट केला, लॅबोरेटरी बांदपाक फायनान्स अप्रूव्ह केला आणि कोण येयल्ले सेटअप करपाक एक्सपर्ट.
बसून घे चल.